Hello everyone and welcome to another video from Oreo Vision. In today's video I will show you guys how to simply create videos with Canva.com. So first of all, Canva.com is not an application but it's a simple website where you can just edit, create videos, posters, edit pictures, so a lot of more. So let's go first of all to Canva.com. So as you can see at Canva.com you can create a presentation, a professional business presentation, social media, so Instagram posts, Facebook posts, and so forth. All right, videos. So you can create videos for Facebook, for Messenger, and for YouTube intros. A lot of more. So you can actually do a lot of more. Yeah, print products. You can just create bags like that, banners, business cards, and marketing stuff like logos, business card, and so forth. So that is a lot, like gift cards, certificates. So just I will simply suggest you just go to Canva.com and you can check by yourself what else you can do. But in today's video we will be creating and uploading some videos. Okay, so let's go. So once you're on at Canva.com and you're at video section, just click on video so you can see already the resolution 1920 10 by 80 pixels. Okay, so if you would like to create 4K video, you can do that as well. And how would you do that? Just click on resize, and there you can just change the resolutions to 4K, but make sure it stays always on pixels. Do not change it to inches, millimeters, or centimeters, because it's very wrong. All right, so let's go. Okay, so you got some templates that you can actually use. If you would like to use some templates, you can do that as well. For example, you can create videos like that. I have some background, some text, some elements, and have your video over here. So you can do all that with Canva.com. So basically, you can do with Canva.com more than a lot of professional video editing applications. But button purpose for this video and keep it very simple. All right, so Control Z, it's gone. Let's just give it some background. Actually, we don't need it, but anyway. And you can just create like that as well. So plus, I will be creating 5 because I got sample 5 videos. All right, okay, so now the videos. So you can actually create the videos, directly record yourself, or you can just upload your media. And I have already uploaded some videos, so I will be using those videos. So you can, the videos that you have actually uploaded, you can download them, trash them, or add to some folders which you can create on Canva.com. And not forget that it's actually a free version of Canva.com. So with the pro version, you will be getting simply a lot of more with it. But for purpose of this video, I will be using my free account. So if you want to like Canva.com and want to become a Canva Pro, below I will be leaving a link and you will get some discount as well. All right, okay, so so simply drag the video to the pages which you have created. Okay, so it is very simple, like that. Oh my God. It is videos with the sound, so you will be hearing the sound as well. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so let's just keep it simple. I will delete this page. It's gone. All right, so now that we have a video, so maybe you want to add some transition as well between them. So what you can do, just click simply on the plus. Okay, you can add pages or transitions. So we are looking into transitions. So okay, so that is a transition that you can choose from. Okay, so I think that the circle vibe is nice. So there is an option actually that you can just okay, my goodness, why? Okay, so once again, circle. There is also, you can add actually all of them to one as well, but for some simple, it's not, I didn't work it. So the transition, you can choose the rotation in seconds and so forth. Okay, so you want if the circle vibe in or out. So that is out, that's in, that's out, that's in. All right, so let's just keep it in and just keep everything in. Simple. Okay. Okay, there you go. So just say you can say apply to all. It will apply the transitions to all pages. So now we got 4 pages in total, and here you're gonna see the total video is 38 seconds, so almost 39 seconds. So that is actually a simple video that I have actually uploaded. So that would be the duration. So if you want to make it least, you can just click here and then just change that. Okay, so as you can see, there you go, the transition has been added. Okay, so what else we can add? So if you would like to have on one of these pages a title, you can do that. Just simply click on text. Okay, so as you can see, that this texts are for Canva Pro users only. So, but this one we can use because this one is free. As you can see, over it over, and it will show you it's free. So let's say what is the video? So let's say my video. Oh my god, this is like too big. So don't worry about this, and you can just simply from here give the size like let's say 50. Oh, okay, as you can see, there you go. Or just simple like that, you can do it as well. So that's all up to you where you want the title. And the title also you can have some different font as well. So that is the font, as you can see, it is yellow with red circles on it. So you can change that one to purple or to white. Okay, and if you want to change the yellow font, go to effects, and from here you can change even the thickness, the offset, the direction. But I will leave that all to you guys, what you want to do with it. Okay, so that is simple. I'm just creating a simple video. Okay, so that is the title. Just leave it like that here. Okay, so whatever you want it. So just very simple. Just drag it wherever you want. Okay, so that is let's say my video. Okay, so that it will stay on this page. So you can give each page a different title. And now, what else we can do? So you know what else we can add to this? Elements. All right, so let's talk about elements. You can even add elements on that. And what are elements? So you can just add some pictures, some animations. So let's say if you want to add some flag, for example. Okay, okay, so if you would like, that is animated flag of United States. So if you would like to add that one, just simply drag and drop, and that is the size. It's big. Don't worry about this. You can simply. Isn't it simple? All right, so we can have that here. You can copy the title, the flag, or whatever you would like, and put it wherever you want, and then just add that one to other pages as well. All right, so that is elements that you can add. You can add text. You can upload your own audio and add your own audio as well. Okay, so it is all up to you what you can do with it and what you want to add to it. So there's a lot of more you can do with Canva. All right, so let's test. Okay, so we got audio, drag media here to upload or connect to the account. So simply you can just connect to your accounts, and from there just take your audio that you would like. All right, so backgrounds, as I mentioned before, that you can just add the backgrounds as well, but you can do a lot more with canva.com. Okay, so now on this one we added element and title. We can do that the rest of the pages as well, but let's just check our video. So as you can see, that is like the first 5 seconds, and if you want to make your video shorter, just simple, very simple, just watch that. You can just make your video shorter page by page. Very simple. Now if we bring it back here, the video is now much shorter and it will go to the next page. So each video you can just simply just drag it from here, and you can see on the timer how long you want it. Okay, so my video was 10 seconds and now I can just make it shorter. So it's very simple. Or you can just short it from here as well. So it is totally up to you how you want to edit your video. Okay, so let's do it like this. Let's test the video, how it looks, and if we are happy with transitions, or we are happy with video, if you want to add some more titles, or how do you. Okay, so as you can see that transitions are good, titles are good in the beginning. We added some elements, and you can add more elements as well. So with elements you got options to add some stickers as well. Okay, so with stickers, like something like that, it's all up to you what you want to add. So it is totally up to you. As you can see that a lot of them are free, just simply free videos you can just add, and the animations, flip them, and a lot of more. Even one thing that I just forgot, the title. You can do some animation with title as well. So just select the title. Remember that we have effects here, the colors over here, and we can add effects as well to the title. So as you can see, my video, typewriter, bounce, burst, shake, and some more, but these are actually a pro version. So as you can see, let's keep it in blocks like that. Let's see it. Okay, isn't that very simple? And if you got title on each page, you can just say apply to all pages, and it will work, and it will apply to all pages. Okay, so now comes it how you will download that one. All right, there you go. So when you're happy with your final product, just say download and make sure it is on MP4 format, and select all pages, so let's download. Alright, as you can see that video has been downloaded, and it is we are ready to check it. So as you can see, that element is already on the video is already there. So let's check if everything went well. Okay, so as you can see, the title is there, the element is still there, and the video looks to have a very good quality. So that's it. We have created a very simple video with Canva.com. Alright guys, so that was actually a tip of this week about Canva.com. So if you would like to know more about Canva.com or have some questions, please leave your comment below, and thank you very much for watching this video.